spatula, spatula. Fraction, fraction, fraction.
Hey, you want to see a movie tomorrow?
Sounds like a good plan. What do you want to see?
How about Legally Blonde?
My girlfriend wanted to see that movie. I have to take her later, so I don't want to watch it ahead of time. How about The Cube?
Isn't that a scary movie?
How scary can it be? Come on, it will be fun.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
That's the spirit. I'll see you tomorrow after class.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
So, Jeff, we're talking about odd jobs. What's a job that you would like to have? What's a job that you think would be one of the coolest jobs to have?
Oh, difficult question, Todd. I guess a job that I would like to do, it might not be the coolest job, but I think it'd be fun job and it would pay okay, would be running a small tour company. So
when I was 10 years old,